Okay, this video is for anybody that wants to make a quick and easy $75, and I'm talking today, right now. As soon as this video is over, get 75 bucks. Now, I know to some of you, $75 might not sound like a lot of money, but to some of you out there, $75 is a lot of money, and getting that into your pocket today can help out a lot. Maybe you got a bill or two that you've been avoiding because you didn't quite have enough cash to get that covered. Maybe you want to take your significant other on a nice little date. You know you owe the lady a night out on the town. Well, 75 bucks can take care of that. Maybe you just want to go to the bar and treat yourself to a little meal and a couple beers. Who knows? But you're going to get 75 bucks today as soon as this video is over. So listen, I'm going to keep this video short. I'm getting ready to head out to the airport. I'm going on vacation to Montana, USA, Missoula, Montana to be precise. So all I want you to do for me, just subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Online Moneymaker if you haven't already, and let's get this video going so you can get that 75 bucks in your pocket right now and put it to work for you. So this little trick I'm going to show you, this is a method that I've used in the past many times just to get some quick and easy extra cash, and it's pretty much instant, okay? We call this the bonus method. So welcome to the bonus method, people. I'm giving you this gift. You're going to love it. And why do we call it the bonus method? Because we are going to websites that are giving us instant cash bonuses just to sign up, and every one of these websites I'm going to show you is going to give you cash instantly, no strings attached. There's no catch here, but they all have additional money making opportunities attached to them if you want to go ahead and make some extra money, okay? So let's start here. This is what I'm talking about. Opinioncom. Opinioncom is going to give you a free 10 bucks just for signing up. What this is a survey site. They're going to pay you to take surveys. All you need to do to get your 10 bucks is just click there, enter a email, all this, the first name, last name, country, blah, 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 blah. You get it, and then you're going to get your $10 sign-up bonus. I just made you 10 bucks right there, only 65 to go. By the way, there's really no catch here. You can just sign up for these sites, collect your money, and delete them, do whatever you want, doesn't matter. Okay, so the next one here is Rakuten.com. Rakuten.com. They give you cash back to shop, okay, but watch this. If I hit join now, watch this. Ooh, 10 bucks cash bonus just for signing up, baby. Okay? You've just made 20 bucks and you've only been here a couple minutes. Hit me with a like, people. Okay, your next one is called MyPoints. It's at MyPoints.com, and yes, you guessed it, $10 welcome bonus. You can get that in an Amazon gift card or a Visa gift card, whatever you want. This is another get paid to shop website. You kind of know the drill here. There's a lot of those. There's a lot of ways to get paid to shop out there in the world, in the online world. And if you're not getting paid to shop online, you really should start, because there's no reason not to. You know what I'm saying? So mypoints.com, $10 bonus. We're up to $30 now. So let's go ahead and make it 40 bucks right here at Befrugal.com. Befrugal.com, another $10 sign up bonus. We're at $40, my friends, okay? This is the same thing as the last one. Get paid cash back to shop, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't matter. We're not here to get paid to shop. We're here for the $10 bonus, because now we're up to $40 and we're less than 4 minutes into this video. So technically, if you want to think about it like this, we're making over $10 per minute so far, right? So we're up to 40 bucks. Woohoo! Okay, the next one is right here, Swagbucks.com, Swagbucks.com, and yes, a $10 sign-up bonus. We are up to $50, okay? Now, I've talked about Swagbucks before on this channel, and if you are actually going to keep any of these websites active, keep any of these apps up, and not just take the sign-up bonus and run, this is the one that you probably want to keep, because this one has a lot of different ways to make money online. Like, you can obviously shop, they all have that, but watch videos, answer surveys, stuff like that. So Swagbucks is actually a pretty good and decent website to make a little bit of extra passive income. Okay, so swagbucks.com. Get that 10 bucks. Now you got 50. Okay, and let's go ahead and make that 60 bucks here at TopCashBack.com, TopCashBack.com. This is yet again another shop online and get cashback website. And they do give you, and I know it doesn't say it right here, right in your face, but they do give you a $10 sign up bonus just for joining, okay? So get another 10 bucks right here at TopCashBack.com. We are up to 60 bucks, people. Okay, next head over here to inboxdollars.com, inboxdollars.com. Claim your $5 bonus. Yes, I know this one's only 5. I told you I was gonna make you 75 bucks, okay? I didn't tell you I was gonna make you 100, but check this out. Inbox dollars get $5, okay? But this is another app that you can make a lot of money, okay? You can make a lot of money on this site by taking surveys. You can also play video games. You can watch videos, and they actually pay pretty good. Like, look at this. Some of these surveys, they'll pay you like 20 bucks, okay? So this is another one that pays you for more than just a shop online. This is kind of like Swagbucks. So Inbox Dollars is another good one. Sign up for free, claim your $5. Now you got 65. And moving along, we have another $5 winner right here. Claim your free $5 right here at PointClub.com. This is just a take surveys and get paid site. You can do it if you want. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Just sign up, get your $5 and delete their asses. That's how we do it. And to make it an even $75, just like I promised you, go sign up for a free account at Coinbase.com. This is a cryptocurrency wallet. Just for signing up, they will give you $5 in Bitcoin. Now, that's going to be $5 in Bitcoin based off the value of Bitcoin at the time that you sign up. So you can cash that out right away if you want, or you can kind of play the game here. You can just wait a couple days. Maybe that'll grow into 50 bucks, or it might go down. Who knows? But you're gonna get $5 in free Bitcoin just for signing up, and you can cash that out immediately. So that's 75 bucks. Now, for those of you that have stayed until the end of this video, I've got a very special bonus for you, being that this video is called the bonus method, okay? Let's check this out. This website is called checkpoints.com, okay? Checkpoints.com. Now you can either log in on your computer with your Facebook account, or you can download the app to either your iPhone or your Android. And these, now stick with me here. These pay pretty well to do things like watch videos, take quizzes, and of course shop online, and there's more. You can play games on here, and they're gonna pay you out in gift cards, okay? Now, I know this is not instant money, but this was not even meant to be part of the video. I already made you your 75 bucks, so just for that, hit me with a like. Boom, thank you. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna download Checkpoints to your phone. When you have free time, you're going to watch the videos, whatever, and you're going to just redeem. I would go with the Amazon gift card, okay? Now, you can use that Amazon gift card for yourself, or if you want cash instead, you take that over to this site right here, cardcash.com. And this is where you can sell unwanted gift cards for up to 92% of the total value for cash, okay? So if you don't want the gift card, just go ahead and bring it over to cardcash.com and get cash, okay? So hey, subscribe to Online Moneymaker, okay? You got 75 bucks in your pocket. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hey, and thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.